Understanding the YouTube algorithm is so important to becoming successful on YouTube. The videos that do by far the best are... Hey guys, it's your girl Savannah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you tips on how to gain views on YouTube fast. Now, I'm just going to get right into the video and I hope you find these tips helpful. And yeah, let's get into the video, guys. So my first tip is make sure the first 20 seconds of your video is the most eye-catching part of the video. Think about it like this. Think about the first 20 seconds of your video as a trailer. Like when a movie's coming out, they post trailers to get people interested in the movie. And if they didn't post trailers, most people wouldn't really know what the movie's about besides the title and the picture of the cover of the movie, right? But the first 20 seconds of your video should be basically what your video is going to be about, or the most shocking part of the video, or the most eye-catching part of the video, or a part of the video where you're pretty much telling them exactly what they're gonna get, but you don't spoil anything. Because that's one thing about trailers, is they don't want to spoil the movie. Just like in the first 20 seconds, you don't want to spoil the video, but you want to give a clear view of, okay, I'm actually gonna prove this point, this is what the video is about. The reason this is so important is because you don't know what the person who clicked on your video is doing. You don't know if they're going for a walk, or if they're on break, or if they're just sitting in bed. And the first 20 seconds, if your video is boring in the first 20 seconds, then you don't know if they're gonna want to stay. Some people might be like, all right, this is boring, exit out. And say they're on break and then their break's going over, they can put you on watch later if your video is interesting, instead of just watching the beginning and being like, it's not good enough for me to go back. So you want to make the first 20 seconds of your video very eye-catching and make people really want to watch the video. Tip 2 is post as often as you can and have a schedule. And the reason this is so important is because the more you post, the more views you will gain. If you only post one video a week, in a month you would only be posting 4 videos. And say you get 50 views on each of those videos, that's only 200 views. If you post 2 videos per week and get 50 views per video, then that's 400 views. So obviously the more you post, the more views you will get, for one. And having a schedule is also so important, because then your subscribers will know this is the days they post. One thing that the YouTube algorithm really likes is YouTubers that post often, because YouTube obviously wants people to be on YouTube and watching YouTube videos. So if you post often, then YouTube's gonna favor you because you're getting more people to be on their platform. And I'll do a whole video on the YouTube algorithm, because understanding the YouTube algorithm is so important to becoming successful on YouTube, because there's a lot of things in YouTube that you may not know that has to do with the YouTube algorithm. So I will be making a video on that soon. Number 3, this is so important. I can't stress enough how important this is, but making searchable content. Now this is something that I'm starting to do on my channel, because here's the thing. As small YouTubers, if your content is not searchable, then a lot of people probably aren't gonna be searching your videos or seeing your videos. If you post searchable content, then you have a chance at being in the results list of when someone searches something up. If your video is something that isn't really searchable, I mean, people may search it, but it's really not often that people are gonna be searching that, then it's probably not the best thing to be doing right now. And it doesn't mean don't do content like that. Like, for example, like the videos on my channel that do by far the best are videos that are helping you guys out, are videos how to gain views, how to gain subscribers. And the reason those do so well is because people are constantly searching how to gain subscribers, how to gain views. And that's the thing, is if someone sees your video in the search results and they click on it, then you will be gaining a lot more views. If it's something that people aren't looking for or looking to watch, then there's a high chance that a lot of people won't watch it. And that goes a lot on my channel. Like, there's a lot of videos on my channel that I saw in my requested, and I was like, this would be a really cool video to do, right? But the thing is, I would have never searched it myself. Like, there's some videos that I've done and that I've watched that I would never search in the search bar. It just came in my requested. But here's the thing, the reason it was in my requested was, for one, those people are big YouTubers already, and so it doesn't matter. Once you're really big, it really doesn't matter what you post, because you already have this huge audience that's gonna watch it no matter what. Some people just watch someone eat a bowl of cereal because they like who you are. But as a small creator, we don't know who you are. That's why we have to show you. So making searchable content is going to allow people to find your videos. And I'll make a whole video on how to get your videos on the top of search results. There's a lot that goes into that. I kind of have one video on it already, so if you guys want to check it out, it'll be up here somewhere. Sometimes I look at my analytics, and some videos I get the most views from people I know, from promoting it, but then some videos, especially videos like this, I will look at where most of my traffic is coming from, and it's coming from the search results and browse features on YouTube. And again, the reason is because a lot of people are searching it, and constantly when I look at those videos, the views go up and up because people are looking for that content. So making searchable content is so important if you really want to gain views and grow your channel. So my last tip for this video is make series, make bingeable series. And what I mean by that is, whatever your channel is based off of, make a series. So if you're a gamer, make a series of that game and show, okay, this is what I did this time, this is what I'm doing this time, this is what I'm doing this time. And the reason is because if someone watches one of your videos and is like, wow, this is really good, I want to watch more, and you don't have any more videos like that on your channel, there's a high chance they're not going to watch your other videos or subscribe. But if you have a bunch of videos that have to do with this one topic that you're talking about, there's a high chance that they're going to subscribe and say, okay, I'm really interested in this content, I want to learn more. And you'll probably gain a lot more watch time and views, because if it's bingeable and people are like, wow, I really like this topic, and you have a series or a playlist on your channel with all the different types of videos like that, then there's a high chance that those people are going to be like, wow, I want to keep watching these videos, and watch one video, then watch the next video, and then watch the next video, and watch the next video. And that is so helpful because you're obviously getting views and you're gaining watch time, and there's a high chance they may subscribe. Like I've seen sometimes in my comments, someone's like, wow, I really want to learn more from you, I'm gonna subscribe, I can't wait to see more of this specific content, which is a lot of my subscriber videos and views. So if you're posting a series of the same type of videos, and each video add different tips, you don't repeat yourself 100%, but you say different things in the video, you add more to it. Like I'm gonna do another how to gain views video, but it's gonna have completely different tips than in this video. And if you have a bunch of videos like that, then someone's gonna be like, oh, I want to learn more, I want more tips, I want more of this game, I want more of this beauty, whatever it is, then they're going to keep on watching. And that is so important to gaining views. So guys, that was my last tip. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be making a part 2 to this video, and probably a part 3. I have so many more tips to tell you guys on how to gain views, because there's so many tips out there, and these are tips that have worked for me. These aren't just tips that I've googled and who knows if they actually work. These are tips that I use, that I know other small creators use, and I guarantee you they will help you gain views and subscribers, and hopefully get you to the 4,000 watch hours. But if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe guys, and I will be giving you guys more tips on how to gain views and subscribers and watch time. Make sure you click the notification bell so you're notified when I post next, because if you want to grow your channel, you're going to want the newest tips that I'm going to be giving you. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope these tips work for you, and bye guys.